Y'all check out this leaked footage right here of a UFO in Indonesia. They hide them in plain sight because who would see something like this? I believe the government is doing a soft disclosure by releasing these videos piece by piece. What y'all think about this?
Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I got that on video! Holy fuck!
Professional marine biologists just released images of an anomaly. A huge, colossal squid spotted near the Mariana Trench. Its tentacles longer than the submersible that filmed it.